Yeah. He's got to be 12, right?
Oh, yeah, he's 12 easy.
We cross. Oh, jeez.
Gave him a headache.
I thought he was gonna be bigger than that.
Oh,
baby. Think he's 12?
yeah, he's got a ratty tail, but you can measure him, but he should be 12.
That's bad if we weigh that.
Yeah, we'll get rid of him.
There he is. Maybe. No, 2-pounder.
Doesn't matter now. Well, keeper anyways.
Little guy. Not even 2.
Yeah. Yeah, we'll fish down this bank up to that point up there.
Okay.
Fish all down there.
Cool. Yeah, I was gonna say sun beat me.
Well, yeah. I mean, he's no 3 or 4, but he's all right.
I don't know what we got. I see he ate that kid too. I gotta get me a rubber net.
Yeah. Oh yeah, 100%.
Yeah. The nylon stinks. That's number 4. Yeah. Yeah, that's a decent one.
Yeah.
Not horrible. If these are small, we get a bunch of 3s to go with it, and then one big one. We're golden, yeah. Call him, he's 0.75 is the weight of him. That one's way bigger than one we got in there.
Is it really?
Oh yeah. That one I caught is a micro.
Okay. The jig fish?
Yeah. The jig fish is our smallest fish in there.
That's not right.
No, it's not right at all.
Alright, well 5 by 9:30, that's not bad at all.
No, it's not bad. I'll put him in the small side.
Yeah, for sure. Alright, now all we gotta do is cull.
I wonder if bigger ones will move up here later in the day.
It's entirely possible.
Yeah, it might not be a bad place to keep in mind.
Yep.
That's our jig fish.
The black one?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
Is that not embarrassing? So blacks are small right now.
Okay.
Is that not bad?
Yeah, that's not good. That's not what's supposed to happen.
No. Well, it was 8 in the morning, so whatever.
I think think there's enough spray paint on there?
How can you get up
I mean, I guess when the water's higher, this,
there? Oh.
you know, this zone is pretty acceptable if you're up against the front boat, but
Yeah. I guess the top stuff you could climb on that ledge.
yeah.
Pretty risky.
Sure it's a fish.
100%. 100%. It was like over there.
Dude. It's gotta be a jack.
You think?
Yeah. Bass don't. At least on this lake, bass don't hit 3 times. But yeah, it's absolutely fish.
Yeah. You doubt me?
Well, I mean, sometimes, you know, that if it hits twice in the same spot, it's like it might be a wind. It's just the way it's laying makes it feel just like a fish.
Oh no, I would say if it hits twice in the same spot, it's 100.
Look at it.
It's a bass.
Yeah. Color too.
It's a what?
It's a color too.
Yeah. You stole my fish. That's hilarious.
Whoa.
What?
What the heck is that?
What is it?
This.
Ooh, I don't know. You should flick that off with pliers or something. Yeah.
Bait fuel, baby. That's why I ate it.
That's gotta be a parasite or something. Yuck. It's out of here. Yuck. Are you sure that's a fish? Come on, man. You think I'm that bad? Oh my gosh. I know I've hooked a lot of stumps and rocks this week, but
That's a decent little call.
yeah, definitely. I'd be embarrassed to weigh that one.
Headed the right direction,
I love it. You sure it's a fish? And then like 2 seconds later, yep, that's a fish.
anyways. Had to investigate myself.
Yeah. for
You know
sure.
what they say. Trust but verify.
Right, exactly. Yeah, for sure. That was a good teamwork on that
Yep.
1.5 pounder.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. Now we're fishing down by the dam. See what he says. Like, Cameron showed me the deep end of the lake.
Nah, he would know we were lying.
Really?
Oh yeah.
Why? I'm here. Like, it's very possible we'd go deep. But I guess we told him yesterday we didn't find anything.
Yeah. Yeah, he would definitely not believe that. If we were in your boat and you were running the show, he might. But He knows this heater don't sit in any more than 10 feet of water
Okay.
on any given day.
Nice. Yeah, for sure. That's funny. Did he ask how we were doing?
Yeah.
What'd you say?
So we have 5, nothing special.
Nice.
They're up past the pump station, so they're pretty far.
Way too far. Tell him Cameron says you're lost.
Yeah, I don't want to give him too much help. I gave him
Yeah.
help one time in a club tournament and he ended up beating me.
Are you serious?
Yeah.
Yeah. That's tough.
Because he was like, dude, I have nothing. And I was like, dude, just go throw a spinnerbait on point. I was like, I'm smashing, I'm doing that. And he did that and he ended up catching like a 6-pounder. I was like,
Oh,
gummit.
God.
I should have told you.
Did he give you like $10 or something?
No.
No?
I was like,
I would split the money with you.
it's like,
I would have had 0 without it.
I'm sure there'll be a time when he clues me into something and it helps me, so
Yeah, for sure.
it'll all even out.
Or at least take you to a Waffle House or something after.
Yeah, I wish Dwayne was fishing today. We could have had breakfast. But
Yeah,
always
that'd be pretty cool.
But,
He had to work?
yeah. Yeah, I don't know if he was at work or if he's doing some of his side gigs today.
Okay.
He's always got some kind of side hustle going on, like he cuts lawns a lot and
Okay.
hauls scrap metal and he'll do a bunch of like odd jobs.
For sure.
It's not a lot of money, but it adds up and it covers a lot of the fishing costs. So, like, yeah.
Golly, $100 a month is a long way. Just an extra bait tackle for the month.
Yep.
You know? Oh, come on. You gotta be kidding me.
Do I need to ask the question?
Let me try again, then you can get them.
We can do a ad for bait fuel.
Honestly, seriously. We'll go buy some of that. Catch 100% up there.
Probably a thinker.
I don't get what they're doing though. Like, that's just bizarre. It's like, how do you thump it and not get the jig?
Yeah, I don't know. Probably because they're small.
Probably, yeah.
Because that one just caught. I had to let him eat for a good bit so he could get it in his mouth.
Yeah. I say, but like, where do you grab? Like,
Yeah, true.
the tail.
Yeah, I mean, I guess it's like fishing for spawning fish. Sometimes they'll just pick it up by the pinchers and
Totally.
just drag it away if they're like annoyed by it. There it is. Better one?
I think so,
Yeah. Not that much better. Still, he should call.
Oh yeah, you should definitely call.
Good job.
There you go. No, we've been doing pretty well today.
Yeah, I agree.
I think we've been.
We just gotta keep fishing the moment.
Yeah.
Yeah, and I think when we
Oh, he's not as big. Goodness.
when we find a place that we're getting multiple bites, we need to pick it apart a little.
Yeah, I was just kind of hoping we get one big bite.
Yeah.
It's possible. I mean, still possible, but
Sure.
seems like there's a bunch of babies.
Yeah.
All right, let's see here. Do you know which ones are small now?
No, I want to say it's red, but
It looks like red.
I'm not entirely sure.
It looks like red.
Okay.
Red's the smallest in here.
Yeah, the one on the other side is the bigger one.
Okay.
Yeah.
That's definitely bigger than that, right?
Oh yeah, no doubt.
Now I don't know.
Yeah, we'll have to coal beam the next one.
Yeah.
That's all right though.
Or you have your scale?
Or that, yeah, either way. Might be a good one, I can't tell.
What was that on?
There's a little underwater point there.
Tiny, tiny.
You don't know really.
You might.
That's not good.
I don't know what we have in there. We should probably just weigh them now.
Yeah.
Then we know.
Take over. I'll be all there.
Okay.
But yeah, you can barely see the top. There's a little rock pile on it.
Okay.
Got him?
Don't mind me.
That pesky little stick.
Yeah, I would just weigh them. Then we can just
Yep.
go from there. I was like, where were you casting?
What the heck?
What?
Stupid scale won't turn on now.
Are you serious?
I wonder if the buttons get stuck or something. This piece of junk.
You tried taking the batteries out and putting them back in?
I guess I could do that.
Just like take one out, I guess, or wiggle them around. I don't.
Come on, you. Good one?
No.
Come off. Quit flopping.
Did it work?
Nope. Stop.
He didn't help?
Nope.
There it is.
Okay. Oh yeah. I think it's better.
I don't know. It's kind of small. I think it's small.
Oh yeah, he is. What the heck? They're tricking us. I see little boogers. Now he might
He might.
call. Yeah. He was definitely better than the one I just got.
Trying to kill me. This fish trying to kill me. Man, I thought he was gonna be good.
Yeah.
He felt good coming through the water.
River fish or ornery.
Where's the beam?
In the drawer here.
Do you know which one's the smallest?
No, they're all pretty darn similar, honestly.
Great. Oh boy.
That's pretty darn even.
Have you ever seen that? What the heck? What do you think?
Which one looks healthier?
Oh, now you're gonna add another one that's smaller.
Yeah.
I think red's a little heavier.
Yeah, it's barely tipping red's
I
way.
think red. Alright, so white's still our small. Black. Black's the smallest.
Yeah.
Okay.
But it was black calm.
There it is.
A little better, maybe.
I don't know. I haven't seen him real well, have you?
No, I saw him flash.
He's better. I don't know if he's nailed or not. I just got him on the chin.
Yeah. No, he's
I think he's better. Oh, yeah. Yeah, definitely.
yeah.
Don't you do it.
Not bad. He's
Not
got
bad.
black lips.
Oh, yeah. What's that from?
I don't know.
Golly, I have no clue.
Oh, yeah, for culling. Yeah, they're all cookie cutters.
I think the crankbait gets a bit better than the jig, though.
Yeah, it's definitely catching more. But it's also just a whole lot easier to cover on.
True. Yeah, I mean, if we start catching them on these points,
Yeah.
I mean, we could definitely slow down with the jig.
Yeah, like especially if we find one like that giant rocky one earlier where we catch multiple.
Right.
Yeah, we do, I think, need to slow down and drag it with the jig just for a couple minutes. Just
Oh,
to
for
make
sure.
we're not
Yeah.
missing that lethargic fatty. Got it?
Yeah.
Good one.
Yeah. Definitely a good one.
Oh, it's a catfish in the tail. What in the world?
What's going on, How's it going?
He got his camera, boy. I know.
Oh
he
yeah,
ready.
we'll see.
He come up with his camera.
We'll see what happens here.
Come up with his camera. I know he's ready.
No, he got something, dude. Oh yeah, that's big fish there.
Yeah.
Three, four. I don't know.
That's the smaller one there, you say.
Yeah, I don't know which one's the biggest.
DQ, the color racing.
DQ'd, yeah.
Hey, what fish market you went to?
16.5. What's your name?
Zach and Cameron.
You the one I told not to come. Nah, this trucker man. 16.5.
Hey, Trust,
I don't know which
Put him back in there again.
Put him back in,
Put
Zach.
him back in there one more time. I think it was 16.5. Yeah, 16.5.
I had to fish against him every month.